Let us solve this one. In an election, a total of 5 lakh voters participated. So 5 lakh को हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 500,000, because 1k is equal to 3 zeros. The more zeros you write, the more confused you will become, right? A candidate got 255k, and that was 60% of the. So I would say that 500k are the total votes, right? Then we have got not valid votes, and then we have got valid votes. How many not valid votes were there? There were, that is what we need to find out. In fact, valid votes were 2,55,000, which is 255k, right? No, a candidate got this. So valid votes we have got no idea, but candidate 1 is getting 60% of that valid votes, and that is equivalent to 255k. So this is where we can find out the total number of valid votes, right? We have got no idea how much is valid votes. So 60% can be written as what? 3 by 5 into x is equal to 255. So the value of x will be how much? 255. That is going to be what? 85. So the value of 85 into 5. You simplify this and you're going to be getting 425k, isn't it? So the valid votes is 425k, and the total votes are how much? 500k. Not valid votes will be 500k negative 425k, which is 75k. 75k is 75,000, right? What this problem is asking you? This problem is asking you that what was the percentage of invalid votes. So 75,000 is what percent of 5,000? That is what this problem is asking you. K and K are gone. These two zeros are gone. 75 upon 5. You are getting this as 15%. Problem is solved, isn't it? So what is the right answer out here? Option number C is the right answer.